Feeling blocked, bloated, or just not your usual self? Constipation can be uncomfortable, but the good news is you don't have to rely on harsh laxatives to find relief. In this video, we're counting down 8 natural remedies that are gentle and effective. Kicking things off at number 8, we have prunes and prune juice. It might sound like something your grandma swore by, but turns out she was right. Prunes are one of the most reliable and well-researched natural remedies for constipation. They're rich in sorbitol, a type of natural sugar alcohol that works as a mild laxative. Sorbitol draws water into the intestines, which helps soften the stool and make it easier to pass. That's especially helpful if you're dealing with dry, hard stools, a common cause of straining. Prunes also contain a good amount of insoluble fiber, which adds bulk to your stool and stimulates movement through the digestive tract. This combination of fiber and sorbitol gives prunes a gentle but effective 1-2 punch. In fact, a study published in Alimentary Pharmacology and Therapeutics found that eating prunes daily was more effective than Psyllium, a common fiber supplement, for treating mild to moderate constipation. And unlike some remedies, prunes also support gut health by feeding beneficial bacteria in the colon. If the chewy texture isn't your thing, prune juice is a good alternative. Just make sure you're going for 100% juice with no added sugars, and stick to about 4 to 8 ounces at a time to avoid overdoing it. Next on our list at number 7, chia seeds. They may be tiny, but chia seeds are nutritional powerhouses, especially when it comes to relieving constipation naturally. Chia seeds are packed with soluble fiber, the kind that absorbs water and turns into a gel-like substance in your gut. This gel not only softens stool, but it also adds bulk, which helps stimulate the muscles of the digestive tract and keeps things moving smoothly. Just 1 tablespoon of chia seeds contains around 5 grams of fiber, which is a big help if you're trying to increase your daily intake. But here's the key: hydration matters. Chia seeds soak up a lot of liquid, so it's important to drink enough water alongside them, otherwise they can actually make things worse. You can add chia seeds to smoothies, oatmeal, or yogurt, or try soaking them in water or milk to make chia pudding. Let them sit for about 15 to 30 minutes so they fully expand. That's when they're most effective and easiest to digest. Not only are they great for your gut, but they're also full of omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and protein, making them a healthy addition to your daily routine in more ways than one. At number 6, regular physical activity. Believe it or not, one of the best ways to get your digestion moving is to get yourself moving. Regular physical activity helps stimulate the natural contractions of your intestinal muscles, which are essential for moving stool through your digestive tract. When you're inactive or sitting for long periods, your gut tends to slow down too. But something as simple as a 15 to 30-minute walk each day can help get things back on track. Light cardio, yoga, stretching. These gentle movements support circulation, activate the digestive system, and reduce bloating. Studies show that people who exercise regularly are much less likely to experience constipation compared to those who lead a more sedentary lifestyle. And the benefits go beyond digestion. Regular movement can help regulate stress hormones, improve metabolism, and support overall gut health. If you're feeling sluggish in your gut, try taking a walk after meals or adding gentle stretching to your morning routine. It doesn't take much to make a big difference. At number 5, magnesium-rich foods. If you're looking for a natural way to get things moving, magnesium might be your new best friend. This essential mineral helps relax the muscles in your intestines, making it easier for stool to pass. It also pulls water into the colon, which helps soften stool and encourages more regular bowel movements. Low magnesium levels are surprisingly common, especially in people with diets high in processed foods, and they can lead to sluggish digestion. Fortunately, you can boost your intake with a few simple dietary choices. Some of the best magnesium-rich foods include leafy greens like spinach and Swiss chard, avocados, almonds, black beans, pumpkin seeds, and even dark chocolate. Not only do these foods support regularity, but they also come with a host of other health benefits, from heart support to reduced inflammation. If dietary changes aren't enough, magnesium supplements, particularly magnesium citrate, are sometimes recommended for constipation, but it's always best to check with a healthcare provider before trying supplements. Adding more magnesium to your meals is a gentle, natural way to support your gut and help things flow a little more easily. At number 4, we have kiwi. This bright, sweet fruit isn't just delicious. It's one of the most effective fruits for supporting healthy digestion. Kiwi is rich in both soluble and insoluble fiber, which helps bulk up stool and keep things moving through your intestines. But what really sets kiwi apart is an enzyme called actinidin. Actinidin is a natural digestive enzyme that helps break down protein and stimulates gut motility, or the movement of your intestines. That means food passes through more easily and regularly, which can be a game changer if you're feeling sluggish or bloated. In fact, a study published in the Asia-Pacific Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that eating just 2 kiwis a day significantly improved bowel movement frequency and softness, without the harsh side effects of many over-the-counter laxatives. And unlike some high-fiber foods, kiwi is gentle on the stomach, making it an excellent option for those with sensitive digestion. Plus, it's loaded with vitamin C, antioxidants, and hydration-boosting nutrients that support overall gut health. Next on our list at number 3, flax seeds. Flax seeds might be small, but they're a big deal when it comes to relieving constipation naturally. They're packed with both soluble and insoluble fiber, which work together to soften stool and help it move smoothly through your digestive tract. The insoluble fiber adds bulk, while the soluble fiber forms a gel-like texture that keeps everything well lubricated inside your gut. What makes flax seeds even more valuable is that they also contain omega-3 fatty acids, which help reduce inflammation and support a healthy digestive lining, especially important if constipation is something you deal with often. For the best results, go with ground flax seeds rather than whole. Whole seeds often pass through undigested, so grinding them makes it easier for your body to absorb all their beneficial nutrients. You can sprinkle ground flax seeds over cereal, yogurt, oatmeal, or salads, or blend them into smoothies and baked goods. Just like with chia seeds, drinking enough water is key. Since flax absorbs moisture, staying hydrated will help the fiber do its job without making things worse. Just 1 to 2 tablespoons a day can make a noticeable difference in your digestive regularity. At number 2, hydration, with a focus on warm water. It's no surprise that staying hydrated is essential for digestion, but when it comes to constipation, how and what you drink makes a big difference. While cold water is good, warm water can be especially soothing to your digestive tract and help stimulate bowel movements more gently. When you're dehydrated, your colon absorbs more water from the food waste in your system, which makes stool hard, dry, and difficult to pass. Drinking enough water throughout the day helps soften stool, supports smoother movement through the intestines, and makes it easier to go without straining. Warm water in the morning, in particular, can help wake up your digestive system. Some people find that a glass of warm water with lemon juice helps promote regularity by stimulating the liver and encouraging bile production, which aids digestion. If you find plain water boring, try sipping on herbal teas, cucumber-infused water, or even a warm broth to stay hydrated. Just make sure you're drinking enough, at least 8 cups a day, more if you're eating lots of fiber, which absorbs water in the gut. In short, warm water is one of the simplest, safest, and most accessible remedies to help keep things moving. Topping our list is Psyllium husk, a natural plant-based fiber that's incredibly effective for relieving constipation. Psyllium comes from the husks of seeds from the Plantago ovata plant and is widely used in fiber supplements like Metamucil. What makes psyllium so powerful is its high soluble fiber content. When mixed with water, psyllium forms a thick, gel-like substance that adds bulk to your stool and helps it move more easily through your colon. It also helps absorb excess water in the intestines, making stool easier to pass, whether it's too loose or too dry. Research published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition has shown that psyllium can significantly increase stool frequency, improve consistency, and reduce straining, especially in people with chronic constipation. To use psyllium, mix about 1 teaspoon to 1 tablespoon of the powder with a full glass of water, juice, or your favorite smoothie. Be sure to drink it quickly, It thickens fast, and always follow it up with another glass of water to prevent it from becoming too thick in your gut. Just like with any fiber supplement, it's best to start with a small amount and increase gradually so your body can adjust. If you're already taking medications, check with your healthcare provider first, since psyllium can sometimes affect absorption. For many people, adding psyllium to their daily routine is a game changer, a simple, natural way to stay regular and support long-term gut health. And there you have it, 8 natural remedies for constipation that are gentle, effective, and backed by science. Prunes and prune juice, chia seeds, regular physical activity, kiwi, flax seeds, hydration, especially warm water, magnesium-rich foods, and psyllium husk. Which of these have you tried before? Or do you have a go-to remedy that always works for you? Let us know in the comments. We'd love to hear what's helped you. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who might need a little natural relief. And if you'd like to support the channel, check out our merch store or consider leaving a super thanks. Every bit helps us keep bringing you helpful content like this. Stay well, stay regular, and we'll see you in the next video.